In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository using REST API. So I created a GitHub account and I just logged into my account, and when I click on the dashboard and then my repositories, in the my repositories currently it is showing that there are 0 repositories. So I'm creating a new repository using the REST API. For that you need to have one token. With that token we can create a new repository. So there are two ways we can create. One is user interface method. Here by clicking on new repository you can create one repository, and by using the REST API also you can create a new repository. So for that you need to go here. So go to click on your profile and then settings in the new link, and here in the new link tab, if you go here in the new link settings and you need to go to your developer settings, click on developer settings, and then there is a token called personal access token. If you want to create a token with fine-grained controlling the accesses, you can create a fine-grained token. Otherwise you can create a general purpose token. This is a general purpose token. I am going to generate a new token. When you click on that, I am creating a new token that is a classic general purpose model. The name I am giving, demo repo command I am giving, and then the expiration date I am giving custom. This is only for 1 day, so it is valid for 1 day, and after that this token will not work. So you also need to select the scopes. Repo means full control of private repositories I am giving, and then I am also giving a delete repository, and I am also giving the admin for organization level. If you want, you can give admin level organization. Otherwise user level, you can update all user data. If you have on that repository, you can read all user profile data and access user email address. This is the read only, and you can follow and unfollow the users. If you have that repository, this scope, you can do this. And admin, this is enterprises level, this is the organization level. So, and if you am giving project full, if you add a project, you can access that project. So these are the basic things. I am giving scope, and then I am generating a token. So now you see that a token is generated. I copied this token and then go here. You need to run the set command in the cmd. So set GitHub token, this is the variable. I am setting a new value. This is the token generated, and then I need to execute curl command and curl post command, and authorization I am supplying the token, and then I am also creating a one repository. The name I mentioned the demo repo one, and then it's a private repository, and then this is true, and then auto init is true. That means when you add a project, .md file automatically will be created. Let us see how to create a repository using REST API. First you need to copy this and go to CLS, and then by pasting that, this is a variable I am setting, and then I am copying this curl command, and then I am pasting here. So if you see that, now it is successful, and a repository is created. So you can see there are different links. You can see HTML URL, avatar URL, gravitar ID, so many things in this repository. All the links are available. Similarly, repository link also available. So the repository created is this is the date, updated is this is the timestamp, date and time, and this is the git demo repo one dot git URL. If it is a SSH URL, this is the URL. Cloning URL, this is demo repo one dot git, this is the clone URL. So you need to go to your repository section. Your repository is there. I need to refresh that and then see. So a repository is created. So Srini